The financial world is a labyrinth of transactions, where funds flow effortlessly across borders, transcending geographical boundaries. While this interconnectivity is a testament to the modern financial landscape's efficiency, it also presents challenges in maintaining transparency and security. At the core of this mission lies the Travel Rule, intricately linked to the foundational principles of Know Your Customer (KYC). But what exactly is the Travel Rule, and how does it help with KYC? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is the Travel Rule, how to navigate the intricacies of the Travel Rule, and what Travel Rule strategies do businesses implement. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is the Travel Rule? The Travel Rule is a regulatory requirement designed to combat money laundering, terrorist financing, and other illicit financial activities. It was initially introduced in the United States as part of the Bank Secrecy Act, BSA. Over time, it has found its place in anti-money laundering AML regulations globally. The rule's primary objective is to enhance transparency and traceability in financial transactions. KYC's role in the Travel Rule. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a cornerstone of AML regulations. It obliges financial institutions to verify the identities of their customers, thus preventing the abuse of financial systems for illicit purposes. The Travel Rule and KYC are closely intertwined, with KYC providing the essential customer identity data that the Travel Rule necessitates for each transaction. Navigating the intricacies of the Travel Rule. Navigating the intricacies of the Travel Rule is akin to embarking on a journey through the labyrinth world of financial regulations. This regulatory requirement, designed to combat money laundering and ensure the transparency of financial transactions, demands meticulous attention to detail. The intricacies lie in the nuanced information requirements, with financial institutions obliged to provide a comprehensive set of data for both the originator and beneficiary in each transaction. The specifics, including names, account numbers, and contact details, must be recorded and transmitted accurately, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Moreover, the Travel Rule's implementation is not uniform across jurisdictions, requiring businesses to adapt to regional regulatory requirements. This regulatory tapestry often necessitates advanced technology solutions to automate data collections and transmissions while maintaining data security. Navigating the Travel Rule's intricacies is, thus, a complex endeavour, creates a harmonious blend of regulatory compliance, technology, and a keen understanding of the shifting landscape of financial regulations. What Travel Rule strategies do businesses implement? Amid the intricacies of global financial operations, businesses find themselves at a pivotal juncture in their quest for transparency and regulatory compliance. The Travel Rule necessitates the adoption of meticulous strategies by businesses across diverse sectors. These strategies encompass the establishment of comprehensive compliance frameworks, the utilisation of advanced technological solutions, rigorous customer due diligence procedures, and precise record-keeping practices. Mastery of these strategies is not merely a compliance requirement. It is the key to maintaining the integrity of financial transactions and upholding transparency in a world where financial systems are more interconnected than ever. The key strategies include compliance framework. Businesses, especially financial institutions, must establish comprehensive compliance frameworks that incorporate the Travel Rule into their existing AML and KYC processes. These frameworks should align with the regulatory requirements of the region in which they operate. Customer due diligence, CDD. Before executing transactions, businesses must conduct robust customer due diligence to verify the identities of their customers. This involves collecting and verifying customer information such as legal name, address, account numbers, and contact details. Data collection and transmission. Transaction data must be collected and transmitted to the beneficiary's financial institution. Many businesses rely on technological solutions that automate these processes while ensuring data accuracy and security. And record keeping. Financial institutions are required to maintain detailed transaction records, including the information specified by the Travel Rule. These records serve as an essential audit trail and can be made available to regulatory authorities upon request. Industries implementing the Travel Rule into their KYC procedures. The Travel Rule's impact extends far beyond traditional banking institutions. Several industries are deeply intertwined with financial transactions and have a significant role to play in ensuring compliance with the rule, including banking and financial services. Traditional banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions are at the forefront of the Travel Rule compliance, given their central role in facilitating financial transactions. Cryptocurrency and digital asset providers. As digital currencies gain prominence, virtual asset service providers, or VASPs, are increasingly subject to Travel Rule regulations. These providers must collect and transmit transaction information for digital asset transfers. Money service businesses. Money service businesses include money transmitters, check cashers, and currency exchange services must comply with the Travel Rule to ensure their transparency of their cross-border financial transactions. And fintech companies. Fintech startups that offer payment services, peer-to-peer lending, and other financial services are not exempt from the Travel Rule compliance, especially when facilitating cross-border transactions. In conclusion, the Travel Rule, in relation to KYC, is a formidable instrument in the global fight against money laundering and illicit financial activities. Its seamless integration with KYC principles underscores its importance in safeguarding the integrity of financial transactions across various industries. As the financial landscape evolves, businesses must adapt their practices to navigate the intricacies of the Travel Rule, ensuring they remain compliant and contribute to the overarching goal of financial transparency and security. Well, there you have it. What is the Travel Rule? How to navigate the intricacies of the Travel Rule? And what Travel Rule strategies do businesses implement? Please tell us in the comments section if you think the Travel Rule is playing an integral part in combating money laundering, and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.